in this video, I will show you how to use a depth of field in Unity. So first you need, of course, a sky and fog. This is your post-processing volume. You click on Add Override and you can write depths and it will propose depths of field. So here I will click on Focus Mode. So I will take the control of the depth of field of the software. We can put off physical camera and manual range. Today we will use manual range. Physical camera is interesting, so it will use a physical camera parameter of your camera. So here I have my camera. What I did, I activated physical camera, and when I change the focal length, the aperture, the focus distance, it will allow me to modify my depth of field. For that, I just need to click here to say that I will use a camera parameter, and then from here I can modify this camera parameter to make, so you see, to make it more or less blurred, change the distance, extra. But that we will not use it for this exercise, for this video, because for your assignment, for the module, I ask you to use a first-person controller. And the first-person controller don't give you the control of the physical camera. So that's why for this example, I will just use the manual range. Okay, so it's super easy to use. So here, first thing you will need to say from what distance from the camera the image is sharp and after blurred and after sharp. So here, if I put 0 and 4, it means at 0 this is blurred, okay, and at 4 this is sharp. So here my character I think is more around 3, okay. So I can also modify like that, and I can see, yeah, here my character is sharper when the distance is 3. Okay, so I can also put 2, so perhaps 1 meter before the character, the image will be perfectly sharp. And you do the same with the far range. So here you can say at from 2 to 6 meter, or 5 meter, it will be sharp, and after it will be blurred at 20 meter. Okay, so here 20 is a bit short, so if I put like 50, you see it will be a bit less blurred. So here you see the result. The background is blurred, the foreground is blurred, and between 2 and 5 meter, where is my robot, this is sharp. After you can change the quality. So by default this is medium. I recommend you high if your computer can do it. And here you see it will change this parameter here. So max radius, this is how large is the blur, okay, for near and far. And sample count, this is just the quality of the calculation, okay. So you can try different parameter, but this high is good enough. So here I did the test on this camera 2, okay. So I will turn it off, I will turn on the FPC, and I will play. So we will see the result. So of course everything is in real time. So here you will see that if I go here, the foreground is a bit blurred, my character is sharp, and you see the background here is blurred. Okay, so I can go to this object, the background start to be a bit more sharp. Okay, or here if I go here, I can see the table here is sharp, but the background is blurred. Okay, so everything is in real time and it works pretty good. So be careful, don't use it too much, okay? So here it's pretty efficient from this point of view. Don't use it too much, okay? It has to be subtle, okay? A background, foreground cannot be too blurred. Thank you.